Hi, my name is Julie, and I am submitting this video review on behalf of my mother, Betty Smith. Betty sits in Tallahassee, Florida, and I sit in Atlanta, Georgia. And just want to say the service at this location has been phenomenal, from your service manager, Drew, all the way to the service associate, Jarrod. My mother was having some issues with her 2012 Mercedes. I reached out to your location, was connected with Drew, and he was phenomenal. He got my mother in. They actually gave her a loaner to drive back to Tallahassee, and then your team went and delivered the car to her. In the interim, Jarrod, he was just phenomenal. He answered every question that I had as my mother was leaning on me to make sure that this was the right direction to go for her. She had not had any success with the location in Tallahassee, Florida. I can tell you by the service, you all have won a customer, and she will even drive to Jacksonville now to your location to get an oil change. So I want to say thank you as a daughter who cares about her mother, who loves her mother, and sits in another state. It warms my heart that you all were so seamless and you took care of her, and the service was just beyond expectation. And that is what it's about, is not only meeting the customer's expectation, but exceeding it. And you all definitely did that. Thank you, Drew. Thank you, Jarrod. And now you have a customer for life.